Let's unpack the Nespoli click and roll roller. In this case, we have a Ritmo roller with the Teflon coated fabric. That's about 3/4 of an inch pile height. When you get your roller, you'll see something like this. To first use it, press down, remove the handle. Then you're going to find this tab, pull it out. That will allow you can throw this out. That will allow you to open the container, take out the roller, check out our instructions for the time and paint saving roller system that we have. Read up on our Teflon coated covering that can be a huge saver of time. Effectively what you end up using is the cylinder and the roller cover. So put it in there. All you do is, with our click in and click out mechanism, is you click in, pull the roller out, paint. When you're done, push in, click out. When you're done, you can cover this in the sun for up to 3 weeks. So that's the roller. Now I want to show you that the roller has this mechanism. If you should ever have an issue with this mechanism, you can pull it off and clean it, and wash it, put it back. We'll cover this for 6 months, but if you have any issues, call us and we'll send you spare parts if you've been using them for a long time. So again, this is a click and roll mechanism. This is our handle. Now you're going to see here 8mm aluminum, so it's fairly light for the type of roller it is. The other thing to point out is it'll come with this adapter. If you have a threaded extension pole, as you see here, you can use that threaded extension pole with this adapter. However, we recommend our proprietary system with our safest snap on and snap off. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove this adapter, save it for later, and you're going to press it into this. Now to press it in, you're going to have to move this up, then down, and now you're locked. If you notice, this aluminium extension pole is wider than your average pole, so it's more comfortable to hold. And it extends just by holding the gray area and pulling or moving forward with the back part, and it'll lock into position. Now, if you can imagine that this container has paint, all I have to do is open the container, click in, I'm out, I can go paint. When I'm done, I click out, I cover up to 3 weeks.